Hello everyone, this is Belle from Arigo. Arigo is a chargers and cables original factory in Zhongshan, China. Our factory still focuses on producing PD and QC fast chargers. We have 8 years OEM experience for exporting to different countries. Now, I want to talk about how many times our products testing in our factory. The first time is testing the PCBA after check the PCBA by workers. Second time is testing the performance after assemble. The third time is high voltage testing. The fourth time is engine test, and every product at least takes 1 hour. This time, we are testing the performance again before putting and packing. Okay, so that's all. If you have any requirements, please contact with us anytime. See you next time.